Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Your Ideal Home Directory. I'm Reyneir, your dancing realtor, accredited real estate salesperson. And today's video, guys, I'm going to give you a quick construction update for Mandani Bay Suites and Mandani Bay Quay. Alright guys, so right now I'm walking in beside the Mandani Bay Boulevard. So basically this is from that point all the way over there. This is the Mandani Bay main boulevard, and that's Mandani Bay Quay Tower 2, and that's the Mandani Bay Suites. Okay, so where I'm standing right now at my back, that's basically the Mandani Bay Suites. That is 100% sold out, and it's already been turned over this year, last June, for lower level of Mandani Bay Suites. And the upper level will be turned over next year, June of next year. So let's take a look of the update for this month of August for Mandani Bay Suites. And this is the Mandani Bay Quay. That's basically Mandani Bay Quay Tower 2. Right now, for the month of August, the construction is already on the 8th floor. And for more construction updates for Mandani Bay Quay, let's take a look on this. If you're looking for a retirement investment here in Cebu, Mandani Bay is the answer for you. Mandani Bay is accredited as a retirement facility by the Philippine Retirement Authority. So what are you waiting for? Let's talk. Just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to assist you. My name is Reyneir, your dancing realtor.